themed New Insights on the Business Environment in the Philippines, exploring the World Bank's Business Ready Report. This event serves as a critical platform for dialogue, underscoring the Philippines' distinction as one of only three ASEAN countries selected for a visit by the World Bank Group's Development Economics Global Indicators Group DESIG team. This recognition reaffirms our country's growing significance in the global business landscape and provides us with a valuable opportunity to highlight ongoing initiatives, exchange insights, and collaborate strategies that promote sustainable development and effective governance. The Philippines is at a turning point with our skilled workforce, strong entrepreneurial spirit, and strategic location. We have the potential to be a key player in the global economy. However, potential alone is not enough. We must ensure that our business environment is conducive to growth, competitiveness, and innovation.